Hey, it's LSFT here today, and today we're here to look at Toyota trademarks. Recently, there's been video talking about the LBX maybe coming to America, and that's because there is a trademark that was published in the US for the LBX, and that is a high chance that we could see the LBX in America. So then I went into the official US trademark search and looked at, okay, the LBX is there. So if we come here and see that the LBX is trademarked. So looking at it, you can see that they actually published this trademark February 13th, 2025. So meaning they did put in a trademark, but it's not confirmed that it's coming. Because if you look at it, there are other trademarks that we can see: ES500E, ES350E. These are the ESs that we're anticipating that will be coming. We also see Morizo. Morizo is also being trademarked in the United States, so we could see Morizo other than the F, but then you can see that RZF is also trademarked. So definitely F seems to be here to stay. But we also see GRGT, and then RZ, and then there's some LFZC, so all these are the concept models that they're putting out. So we do see a bunch of trademarks. Even the LX700H still seems to be pending trademark, even though the car is coming, right? That's weird. But then you can see the RX450H Plus is registered and it's being used, and they're producing cars. LFR is still pending. We see the RZ300E, that's out already. Even the Crown Signia, for some reason, is still pending. Overtrail, you've seen the Overtrail for the LX, the GX, the NX, but this NX has not come to America. But if you look at it, definitely some of these things are coming, but some of these things they've trademarked, and they may not come. You even see Lexus Air Racing, aircraft, and their structural parts there for an aircraft. So is Lexus building aircrafts going forward? Maybe. That's what they have some trademarks for, aircrafts. We have Toyota Guardian. So this is really the level 3, level 4 self-driving. I don't know. But they have trademarks for that as well. So then going back, what made me a little bit interesting to create this video is really, why am I seeing HiLUX, Hiace? These are very traditional Toyota cars from Japan or like Asia or Australia, but I don't think they've ever came to America. But now you can see the HiLUX. You can see HiLUX is actually trademarked on February 20th. So does that mean that the HiLUX truck is coming to America? So if we go and look at HiLUX, you can see that it's a Toyota pickup. It actually was available 1972 to 1995. It's being produced since 1968 to present, but it's not available in America. They're sold in Australia, Japan, and other markets. So if we come down to the most latest version of the HiLUX, let's see. So you see here we have the 8th generation HiLUX, and that was in 2015 in Bangkok. It's available in many places in the world, but not in America. But now they've trademarked this. So is this gonna replace the Tacomas or the Tundras, or they're producing a new branch that never came to America? It'll be interesting to see. So I think that will be cool. But then you see Hiace. Hiace is really a commercial vehicle. Maybe we can see that coming to America as well. It's been produced since 1967 anyways. So another one that may be coming. Next we have the Vitz, which again, been trademarked recently. And when we look at the Vitz, it's a very small car. It's like the Yaris. Yaris disappeared in our land since 2005 from the Echo years. So what does that mean? Is it coming back? That's interesting. Then we look at Vista. So Vista is another one that is quite interesting because the Vista was actually the Camry. We have a Camry in America already, but why is Toyota trademarking the Vista? Interesting, right? So then we have the Toyota Cynos. The Toyota Cynos was the Toyota Paseo. It was like a two-door sports style car, and it stopped selling in 1997, and in Canada it stopped selling in 1999. So is that car coming back? Like they're gonna have a new car and just calling these names? It's interesting to see so many trademarks coming in. We also have the Toyota CELSIOR, and that is the Lexus LS. So are they dropping the LS and bringing the CELSIOR? I don't know. I think it's not. Don't know why they are trademarking all these old Toyota brands. It's probably something that they want to bring, or they're just trying to keep the name in America. We have the Harrier, which was the original RX when it came out, and then it became the Toyota Venza, and now it's been discontinued, but the Harrier is a well-known name. But again, they have a trademark in the United States for that. Alphard, that's another, like the LM. You have a minivan, but it's like a people mover, large vehicle, and that's been trademarked as well. So is the rumor that the Alphard will be coming to America as well? I don't know. It just seems like they've just been very busy in trying to get all these names in and having them trademarked in America. So then now we have the LBX. So only one thing I've noticed that is different, and that is when you look at the LBX trademark does say automobile, namely SUV crossover, including all-wheel drive. So when you click on this, it actually gives you a little bit more information about the LBX. All the other ones, they are just trademarked as automobile and structure parts, therefore. And that's it. They don't add or expand more to it. So does that mean that the likelihood of the LBX is higher over all these other models that have been trademarked recently in the United States? Toyota has definitely been busy on creating trademarks, and we just don't know which ones will come and which ones are just making us feel that it is possible, and really have to look at what is the reaction. So there we have it. I just wanted to do a quick video on the trademarks just to show that there are more trademarks coming. And with that being said, we do not know if these are coming or they are just doing it so that they actually have the naming in America registered, so that they can actually take it and so no other company can actually create a HiLUX or a Hiace vehicle. But it would be cool if Toyota does bring back all these old nameplates and not use the BZ4X nomenclature. Maybe these will actually make more sense and give us that Toyota culture of EVs or fuel cell cars or hybrids. And hopefully some of these do return, because there are some that have been well known in the automotive industry. I hope that you found that this video was informative, and until next video, drive safely. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please comment, like, share this video, and if you want to see more videos like this, you can subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon to get notified when new videos are posted. And if you'd like to support this channel, you can provide me a super thanks. And until next time, cheers.